My name is Nick Hernandez. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at UW Medicine, and I focus on hip and knee replacement. Hip and knee replacement are both considered very successful procedures when you look at data, our own institutional data, but also data across the world. Patients, the greater majority of patients can get back to activities that they want to do, and their quality of life improves significantly. I had a patient come in who had a knee replacement done at an outside hospital several times actually, and it had failed, and he was unable to walk for a year prior to seeing me. And we went ahead and did a complex knee revision or redo surgery, and he now is able to walk again and just has a new lease on life because he's not a wheelchair-bound person. So that something for me is really gratifying to be able to take someone and just change their life in such a profound way.